Hello guys, welcome to an easy tutorial from Cyber Legions. In this video we are going to learn how to get a paid course from Udemy for free. If you are watching our video for first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the official page of Udemy and select your desired course. I am selecting Bash Scripting and Cloud Computing for Bug Bounty. It is about 490 rupees. Now select the title of your course and Google it, followed by free course site. Now select the matching title of your course from the link of free course site. Now you can download this course from here. In this method you can download your desired course for free. Now you will get the torrent link for downloading the course. That's all about the tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.